Hi everyone, here is your video tutorial about how to make a video tutorial. Okay, this is 20% of your grade this trimester, so very important. In DAO, it's really useful that you can give instructions and explain things in a clear way. So it's professional, useful and practical. Let's have a look. Okay, so you must create a video tutorial for a tool or application or some software related to your course. Give instructions on how to use it. Okay, very basic. You don't have to give long, complicated instructions. Then, explain how to do something. Very important also to organize your ideas. And also you can improve your pronunciation with this. The deadline is for the 20th of April. I will check it, and when we have class, the 24th of April, then I can give you your feedback. Here is the criteria. Please don't do more than 5 minutes, okay? Tutorials that are very long are not that interesting, so 3 to 5 minutes only. Use language to give instructions. In a moment you can see the examples of that language, and you must upload it to Florida Oberta. Right now I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. It's really easy and it's free, and you can also use Movavi or Jing or any other software that you like. So here we have language to give instructions. Look, we have here the imperative. For example, sit down, be quiet, click on the right button, search the information using the search engine. Then we have sequence words. First, then, next, finally. Very important here, guys. Please know this. Para hacer algo. To print the document, no for to print, not for to print, no for print, no nothing, no. To print, to scan the document, use the new scanner. A little bit higher level here, we have by and ing. Start the search by typing a word in the search box. And then complex instructions. If we like, we can use something more complex. After having clicked on send, you won't be able to make any changes. You've got some examples here on how to use Git. It's quite long and informal, but I think the speaker is quite clear. And then you have how to make a tutorial. This is my evaluation. So I look at language, vocabulary. Do you use the structures, to and infinitive, by plus ing, etc.? Content. Is the content appropriate? Please use something that's related to DAO. Don't do a basic how to use Google. Everybody knows that, okay? And then finally, intonation and pronunciation. Do you pronounce correctly? Okay, so be careful with that. If you need any practice with me online, of course, I'm here to help you. And that is it. Any questions? Let me know. Thank you.